Welcome to Trip Hack Hub, where we help you travel smarter, spend less, and experience more. Curious what you'd say to this one. What's the best travel hack you've ever used? Tell us in the comments. You have thousands of points sitting in your credit card account right now. Most people think they are just there for a small statement credit or a random gadget on the bank portal. That is the biggest mistake you can make. When you redeem points for a statement credit, you are getting 1 cent per point. When you use those same points for a business class flight, you are often getting 5 or even 10 cents per point. That is a massive difference in actual value. Let me show you how to shift your strategy today. The first thing you need to stop doing is booking through your bank portal. Banks make it easy to see flights in their travel sites. They do this because they control the pricing. You are almost always overpaying for those tickets. Instead, you need to learn about transfer partners. This is how the pros play the game. You move your points from your credit card account directly into an airline frequent flyer program. This opens up award flight inventory that the bank portals never show you. Think of a major carrier like Air Canada or Virgin Atlantic. Their programs have access to the entire Star Alliance or SkyTeam networks. You can often find a one-way business class ticket for 60,000 points. That same flight might cost you 200,000 points if you booked it through a generic portal. The math is simple, but the impact is huge. Now, you might be thinking that you never see these deals. That is because you are looking at the wrong time. Stop searching for flights 3 months out. That is when the prices are highest and the availability is lowest. You want to look for what we call saver level awards. These are the seats the airlines have not sold to cash customers. They release these spots either 11 months in advance or within 2 weeks of departure. If you are flexible, you can grab these for a fraction of the cost. I personally use a tool to track these openings. There are free sites that let you search multiple airlines at once. You just plug in your destination and your home airport. It shows you exactly which days have the lowest point requirements. This saves you hours of clicking through airline websites one by one. Another pro move is paying attention to transfer bonuses. Sometimes banks offer a 20 or 30% bonus when you move points to a specific airline. If you are planning a trip, keep an eye on these promotions. They are not random. They happen throughout the year. If you have 100,000 points, a 30% bonus turns that into 130,000. That is essentially a free extra flight just for waiting for the right moment to transfer. You should also consider having a card that earns flexible points. I prefer cards that transfer to multiple airlines and hotels. This gives you options. If one airline does not have a flight on your date, you can move your points to another partner. You are never locked into one ecosystem. It makes your points twice as powerful compared to a card that only works with one specific airline. Remember, you do not need to be a corporate traveler to make this work. You just need to change how you think about your spending. Use your card for everyday purchases like groceries and gas. Pay the balance in full every single month. Those points accumulate much faster than you expect. Once you have a stash of 50 or 60,000 points, start looking at those partner award charts. You will start seeing flights that look too good to be true. They are real. They are just hidden behind the complexity of loyalty programs. Once you master the transfer, you will never pay full price for a premium cabin again. It takes a little bit of research for your first booking, but the savings are worth every second of the effort. Quick but important travel hack. Set up your eSIM before you fly. This is where most travelers make a costly mistake. They land in a new country and suddenly realize they have no data, no Google Maps, no Uber, no way to message their hotel, and no way to translate anything. You're standing in an airport, tired, possibly jet-lagged, trying to find Wi-Fi just to figure out your next move. That's not how you want to start your trip. Here's the smarter move. Set up an eSIM before you even leave home. An eSIM is a digital SIM card built right into your phone. Instead of swapping physical SIM cards, you just download a plan, scan a QR code, or install via an app, and activate it in your phone settings. That's it. No stores, no waiting in airport kiosks, no dealing with language barriers. The moment your plane lands and you turn off airplane mode, you're connected instantly. Having data right when you land means you can open maps immediately, call a ride in seconds, contact your hotel, check bookings, and navigate public transit without getting lost or overpaying for taxis. And roaming charges from your home carrier can be insanely expensive. eSIMs are usually a fraction of the price, especially for short trips. We've tested a lot of options, and our go-to providers are Saley and Airalo. They're reliable, easy to set up, and cover most countries around the world. Quick tip: install and activate your eSIM before your flight, but only turn it on when you land, so you don't waste any data time. We've put links to the best eSIM providers, along with other travel companies we use, in the description below. Using those links doesn't cost you anything extra, but we do earn a small commission, and that support helps us keep this channel running and keep making helpful travel videos for you. Quick question for you: what's the last place you traveled to? Let us know in the comments below. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to Trip Hack Hub for more travel hacks. Now check out this next video. It's the one